Alright, let's go over how to draw a T-Rex mixed with Chainsaw Man, alright? So, let's get started. We'll draw the head of the T-Rex first, kind of the top over here. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to draw the front of the snout of the T-Rex with a curve, like so. It's going to pull down just a bit, and then a dip. Right here we're going to draw the brow of the eye, so it's like at the top of the eye. Gonna go over here, pull back, kind of around this area. Then right here, pull another curve right here for the cheek. Looks kind of like a Twinkie or something. Gonna go over here, curve up, curve down, right here for the eye. Line over here underneath. Line underneath. Kind of like a U shape right there for the eye, and fill in most of it except for the highlight right there. Okay, so far it's starting to kind of come together, starting to see the top. Curve around here, it's kind of an indentation in the side of the T-Rex's top of his face. We're gonna go line right here for the teeth. Teeth right here, kind of like banana shapes. Right, but they're curved back in because the T-Rex is like pulling stuff in. You know, that's the way kind of the animal evolved, and a lot of animals have that. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you want to learn more. There's a lot of different stuff on the channel. I teach you how to draw pretty much anything, and we go over lots of different stuff, lots of different cool things like this. Pull back, down. But remember, you got to hit the subscribe. If you feel this stuff here is worth your time, please consider subscribing. Gonna go back here, put a little indentation right there. That's kind of where the ear is. Line right here, the mouth is open. If you want, we can kind of give it a little bit more of an anger look, kind of like give it a little bit of darkness above the eye, a little more of an anger, slightly angry. Line underneath right here for the mouth open. So we're gonna draw a couple of things right here. So cords, see, that's gonna be cords like wires. That's coming from the Chainsaw Man influence right there. Line over here, down over the end of the mouth, curve underneath, curve up, and then the same thing with the teeth up. Right here. Alright, gonna draw a line underneath here for the throat, down, curve down here, line underneath, line, 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 line. Let's go over here and draw the nostril. So far we have a pretty basic T-Rex, except for he's got his mouth open except for that area. Now I want to draw the chainsaw coming out. So I'm going to draw it right here, kind of around the teeth area. I'm going to draw a line straight out, curve the front, and it's going to pull back here. Same thing again. Line out. Curve. Right on. Gonna draw the spikes right there, and I'm gonna draw them all the way down. All right, just keep doing that. Maybe space it out here and there. I'm a huge Chainsaw Man fan. And huge, obviously, dinosaur fan. If you have any requests for any mixtures, let me know. I can kind of do maybe like Chainsaw Man. And I have another video on Chainsaw Man mixed with Sonic. Let me know, okay? And I will totally make it happen. Just, you gotta tell me. Right on. Gonna go down here. I'm gonna add for some depth, okay? You want to add some depth to your design. So something like that, like another shape, and then fill that in. It's going to look like it's slightly turned, and it's going to look like obviously he has a back row of teeth and a back part of the mouth there to give it that sort of maybe down here as well. I'll throw some teeth shapes in the back. So right there it gives it a lot more depth. It totally changes the drawing. It kind of just upgrades it right off the bat a little bit. If you want, you can throw maybe another nostril here because he's got like, because the Chainsaw Man has like these 3 lines on his face. Kind of maybe do that. A couple of scratches on the chainsaw itself, right? It's a screwed up chainsaw, so maybe like that. Just throw some dashes here, some lines. Right here, just kind of. And if you really want, you can kind of do this, like on the outside there, like it's moving. Right? Gives it that vibe that it's moving. Talk about depth, maybe the other brow. And you can kind of finish it off with these small curved lines, very thin. You gotta keep them very thin, and kind of pepper them around here, which is gonna be for texture. Right on. And just throwing a little bit of thin lines right here for some detail, like maybe some lines in the neck right here. And you can, everything is gravy after this, right? Everything is extra. What we're doing now is just kind of looking at this and going, you know, what can we add extra? Maybe you could add like a tongue right there, sticking out the mouth, shadow underneath there. All right. Just to kind of give it that worldly feel. Maybe I would say a shadow right here above all that. Maybe fill that in. If you like this kind of stuff, don't forget, say hi, what's up. And yeah, say hi in the comments, by the way, okay? All right. And that's close to the end. I want to thank you very much for following along. You are amazing. If you want to be part of the Strangle game, if you want to be part of the, I was gonna say the sketch ninjas, absolutely hit that subscribe, and please share the video if you do want to support the channel as a sketch ninja yourself. Definitely support the channel. I want to thank you very much. You are awesome, and please do me a favor and say hi in the comment section. Even if you made it to this point, if you say hi, I will know that you made it all the way to the end of the video. Thank you so much, and I'll reply to every single comment. See you later.